Okay, we're going to apply the wax. We're going to wax all of our leaves now. And I have this little wax pot by Seven Gypsies. I think they sell somewhere between $13–14. Get a paintbrush that you're never going to use again. You're going to put some regular wax in there, like canning jar wax when our parents used to can, or maybe some of you still do. So you're going to go to the leaf you want to do. I'm going to do this one right here. I'm going to round start at the outside edge and go. Now if you go over the outside edge, anything that's white out here is not going to be, it will not cover, because anything that you wax will stay just as is. Because when we're done, we're going to put a wax over the entire thing. So we're just going to wax our leaves right now, going around the edges, being very careful to keep it inside our black lines. And while I'm thinking about it, talking about black lines, I need to let you know that make sure that you use a Identi pen as opposed to using a marker. Because if you use a permanent marker, the marker wicks. When you touch it, it will wick onto the washi paper, and then you will have these big black marks that just spread out all over it. So make sure you're using an Identi pen. Okay, so now I have that leaf all waxed. I'm going to do a little bit more, and hold my brush straight up and down and just wax my stem. And the same way again. I'm going to come over to do this one. I just started in the middle and let it, because it was just like water. It waxes to the outside. So you want to touch here before and let it wick out to the outside so it's not over it. So touching here, going to the outside, just pulling it around. Okay. And see, I got too close to the edge. See how that wax went to the outside edge? Anything under that will not pick up any color now. And so what I'll do at the end, after I'm all completed, I can come back in with just a little bit of watercolor and fill that little spot in. That's a nice thing about painting. It's never permanent. You can always add something to it. Also, seeing my name on here, you want to be sure if you want to put your name on here, you put it on before we wax this entire thing, because once you wax it, you can add your name to it. Okay, we'll come back when I'm ready to wax the entire thing. Thank you.